Check the type and specifications of the installation scenario before installing an AP to determine the installation method and required materials. An electric junction box is used for embedding cables in electrical engineering. Electric junction boxes are offered in 86mm, 118mm, 120mm, and octagonal dimensions. This video uses an 86mm junction box as an example to describe how to mount an AP on a standard junction box. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. As ceilings are usually high, only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Do not insert a paper knife deeply into the box when unpacking to prevent damage to the device inside. To mount an AP on a junction box, the components and tools displayed above are required. Fastening screws for this installation scenario need to be purchased by customers as required. Pre-assemble the accessories to facilitate installation. Pre-install the safety screws on the mounting bracket. Deploy the network cable and junction box. Thread the network cable through the oval threaded hole on the mounting bracket. Secure the mounting bracket on the junction box with screws. The junction box type determines which mounting holes are used on the bracket. Group A holes are used for the 86mm junction box. Connect the cable to an interface on the AP according to your requirements. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. A click sound caused by the release lever indicates that the AP is mounted properly. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet fit into the mounting holes. Secure the safety screw. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.